Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone, of course. And also some permissions needs to be allowed for the iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's check if our watch is paired with our iPhone. As you can see, it is here and it's syncing the data. So we can close the app for now. And now what we need to do is to allow the permissions for the iPhone or the app to do, but mostly iPhone, to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, we need to open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, we need to find the option called Bluetooth and tap on it. And here on the list of my devices, you should see your SUUNTO Race 2 if the watch is paired with your iPhone. And next to it, there should be this info icon. Tap on it. And here you should see the system, or rather option called Share System Notifications. And this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. If it's disabled, enable it. Also, it's possible you're missing this option. And if you're missing it, you need to close the settings for now. Open the SUUNTO application. And at any point, if you see the pop-up about the permissions for the notifications, allow them. But if you don't see them, tap on device icon, wait until your watch is done syncing with your iPhone. And of course, during the syncing process, the pop-up might also appear, so be on the lookout for it. And once the watch is done syncing and you still don't see the pop-up, you will need to go to the notifications on watch, but right now it's not available because the watch is still syncing. Okay, now it's done. So you need to tap on notifications on watch. It should be available now. Oh no, it's still syncing something. This is taking a while. Come on. Okay, finally. So now you can scroll down and tap on notifications on watch, and here turn on, or if they're turned on, turn off the notifications and then turn them back on and wait for the pop-up about the permissions. And at any point when you see the pop-up, tap on allow, and once you allow it and go back to the settings, Bluetooth, info, the option should be here now, and make sure it is enabled. And then we can go back to the SUUNTO application to adjust the settings for our notifications. So let's open the SUUNTO app. Okay, no thank you. Let's wait until it's done syncing. Hopefully this time it will take less time. Come on, watch. You can do it. I believe in you. Okay. No. Each time you're gonna do that. Okay, so let's wait until it's done syncing. Finally. And now we can tap on notifications on watch. And here, of course, if the notifications are disabled, enable them, and you have three types of notifications. You have app notification reminders, call notifications, and messages. You can turn on or off each of them by tapping on the switch next to them. And I believe that's about all right here in the iPhone app, which is weird because in the Android app you can also tap on app notifications, and there you have options to enable and disable the notifications for specific applications, but here we don't have that. Okay, and now we can close the app. At this point we should be able to receive the notifications, so I'm gonna check the Discord if I'm logged in. I am not, so I'm gonna quickly log in into Discord and we're gonna test app notifications. Okay, now we are logged in, and I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and it should pop up on our iPhone and also on our watch. And it did. As you can see, it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.